Welcome to Hoh Rainforest Lodge. Our second trip in June. It's a mess. So, right now we are cooking some pesto Italian chicken. I just made some macaroni for the kids. Chris and I were gonna have salad since we're still kind of keto-ing. I did bring my Ninja air fryer because it just makes it so much easier when we want food on the go. But yeah, pretty cool. Welcome back. We are here at Ruby Beach, as you can see in the background. We're enjoying just being out, you know, trying to de-stress and stuff from everyday life and from being cooped up for the last 3 months. So we decided to come up here for a couple of days. But the kids are currently skipping rocks. Those little black specks right there are tadpoles. The boys just found them.
I got it directly. You need that sub to like dip into the water. You got it, you did it. It like so many. We're gonna do science.
Making spam and eggs. And I brought my Ninja fryer along. We're making hash browns. That's not keto. This is keto. So we are on Hall of Moses Trail in the Hoh Rainforest. It's beautiful here. Trees are huge. So I'm going to take you along some of the trail. It's about 20 minutes, 6 miles. No, about more than that, I guess. About 20 minutes away from the lodge that we were staying at. You do need a forest pass to come through here. If you are a disabled veteran, you can get into all national parks for free. So we have one of those passes. Wildlife in the rainforest. Make a correction. It's called Hall of Mosses because of all the moss on the tree. I call them hairy trees. The trail is at the visiting center part. You can't really go much further than the visiting area.